These days, everybody's houses look very beautiful. There won't be any house without interiors being done. The beautiful things with the paintings, everything is there. So what happens is many people don't want to have a fire ritual inside the house. Another important thing what they do in high-rise building is they install the fire alarms. Now, what is happening in today's world? With so many people coming and going, we moving with lot of people, our aura and chakra gets disturbed. And with that disturbance, when we come inside the house, the entire house energy gets disturbed. Are we doing anything to clear the energy of the house? No. The first Graha Pravesa is done, and essentially nobody thinks about the Muhurta of the Graha Pravesa. They want it to be very flexible so that and very convenient so that all their friends will come. It is usually on a Sunday or Sunday evening or Saturday night, Saturday evening. It's like that, but mostly on a Sunday. Nobody checks the Muhurta for Graha Pravesa. So next thing is, with all the negativity energy which is coming inside, what are we doing? Now, when we are doing the fire ritual, many people say don't do the fire ritual inside the house because the smoke will affect the interior. The fire alarm goes off. Now, here I want to clearly explain to you what happens when there is a fire ritual done inside the house. First is we start with the good muhurta, where there is going to be the good time factor involved. When the good time is there, all the planets are placed in a very good position. So that itself will bring in lot of positive vibration. When a person is going to fall down, he will get locked himself in a bad muhurta. That is the first rule. Secondly, you are going to do the puja with the chanting. So the entire house will be filled with vibrations. Now, from this, it will go into the fire ritual. Fire ritual has lot of things, like there will be a chanting, there will be a invoking of the Agni, and there will be a offering in the Agni. Now, first is the chanting in the fire ritual. The normal chanting and the fire ritual chanting has lot of difference. Fire has two qualities, to exaggerate or to expand. That's why when we keep a water, it increases in weight and all those stuffs like happens. When heat increases, it expands. That is the physical theory. The same way, whatever you offer in the fire, the energy will expand. So with the chanting, you're going to do the fire ritual. The energy of the chanting or the vibrations of the chanting is going to obviously increase. The second thing is that it will burn all the negativity. Fire has the capacity to destroy, to retransform. So what will happen is the entire fire ritual will burn the negativity inside the house. The third thing, most important, is that fire, the offering in the fire ritual will spread the energy in all the nook and corners of the house by the way of smoke, by the way of smell, which will give lot of internal peace. So that's why there is something called aromatherapy. In aromatherapy, they say like if you have jasmine, rose, all vetiver or any herbs, your mind will become very peaceful. The same way the offerings in the fire, which invokes the smell and the smoke, will give you inherent peace. That's why after fire ritual, you will feel very peaceful. You will go into a deep sleep. Everybody will say, no, I worked so hard. I felt tired. That's why we slept off. No, no, no. It is because of your aura agitation coming down, the energy of the house getting cleared. Suddenly you feel the house is light. It is bright. That is what is called as the house energy clearance. And once it is done, you will go into a deep slumber, which is very rejuvenating. So next time you're going to do a fire ritual, please allow it to happen full-heartedly, which in a way will clear lot of clutter in the house, which will bring in positive changes, emotional peace, and betterment in the relationship. As long as you're not going to do the fire ritual saying like my interior will get destroyed, there's a fire alarm, you're going to have lot of problems in the house, because fire is the only way you can clear the space in the house. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about the fire ritual in the house. Thank you.